This is both creepy and amazing. I just hit enter and ChatGPT's new AI agent is doing something I never thought it'd be able to do. It's searching my Instagram profile in its own browser for comments that I forgot to reply to. It's troubleshooting as it goes, and in a second, it'll draft personalized responses for me to approve and then post. Just like you'd hand a task to a virtual assistant, you can now hand it to ChatGPT directly. But here's the twist. It opens its own browser, does hours of research in minutes, and drops everything into a spreadsheet or a deck or whatever you need. Do you know what this means for your ability to increase profits and cut costs as a solopreneur with a side or a main hustle? Viral content research done in minutes, not hours. Lead lists and personalized outreach emails auto-generated. Competitor and product research without a pricey marketing agency. Admin off your plate. This isn't a chatbot. It's not a complex automation. It's your new virtual worker, one that works 24/7 and doesn't burn out. Kind of a game changer, right? Especially if you're struggling to drive profit and scale. My name is Ben Angel, and I turn AI rookies into future makers. And if you're one of the 70,000 on our email list who's downloaded one of the free chapters from my new AI book, The Wolf is at the Door, or even skimmed the free AI resources in my bio below, then you already know that I've been prepping you for this change for over 2 years. But let me be blunt, with this brand new update, there's going to be winners and losers. The winners, they pivot now. The losers, they're going to get replaced. Some of my students are already scaling with this brand new update quietly. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use ChatGPT's new AI agent like a virtual team of experts, even if you're doing everything yourself. You'll see what this agent can do and where it still struggles. Because this isn't about hype, it's about getting real leverage-ready results you can act on immediately. But first, what exactly is an AI agent? An AI agent operates independently of the user. You give it a task, it thinks, reasons, takes action, and even troubleshoots without the back and forth. It's kind of like a virtual employee, but with its own browser, memory, and task list. There's no babysitting, no burnout, just results. You can see it, can't you? It changes everything, right? Well, let's start with Instagram, because this is where most people are leaving money on the table, myself included. Think about it. How many leads, opportunities, and sales have slipped through the cracks because you didn't have time, like me, to reply to a comment, follow up on a DM, or click into someone's profile. Now you can ask the agent to log into your account, and once you're in, it takes over. It scrolls your comment threads, finds high intent messages that you forgot to reply to, troubleshoots login hiccups, and then it drafts responses for you to approve and even post them. Imagine what that alone could unlock. A new lead, a sale, a collaboration, a speaking gig, all buried in your notifications. This isn't just social media management. This is revenue recovery. Now let's go deeper. Say you're a brand consultant and you need new clients this week. You prompt the agent to find women-led wellness brands in Los Angeles with outdated branding. It opens its browser, scrapes public directories, visits their websites, pulls names, email addresses, and social profiles. Then, based on each site and founder bio, it drafts a personalized cold email that doesn't just say, "Hey name, I help businesses grow." It says, "Hey Sarah, I saw you launched your newest product line with a mission to reduce endocrine disruptors. Brilliant. Quick question. Have you ever tested how your homepage design impacts your sales on mobile?" Now you've got context, relevance, and a real reason to connect. Can you see what this means for your outreach strategy? You're not just sending more messages, you're sending the right ones at the right time to the right people. Want to take it to another level? Say you've got a podcast that you're trying to grow. You ask the agent to find 15 mid-sized shows in the entrepreneurship niche with an engaged audience. but no recent episodes with AI-focused guests. It finds them, researches the host, pulls key themes, then it drafts a pitch email that doesn't feel cold. It feels custom. And we're not done yet. Next up, competitor research. You give the agent your top 3 competitors on YouTube. It opens up each channel, scans their top performing videos, titles, thumbnails, and comment engagement. Then it generates a spreadsheet with what's working and a list of content angles you haven't covered yet. You can even prompt it to suggest scripts based on gaps in their messaging, but with your voice. That's a level of insight you'd normally pay a strategist thousands of dollars for each month. Now it's baked in when you know how to work this. And finally, admin. The inbox clutter, the proposal follow-ups, the little tasks that pile up and slow you down. This is where the agent shines. Connect it to Gmail and say, scan my inbox for leads who asked for a quote last month or wanted me as a guest on a podcast or wanted to create a mutually beneficial collaboration. Draft 3 follow-ups and include a revised proposal. You can screenshot this prompt or get it via my bio. What the agent is going to do is complete this task by itself without you touching your keyboard. Done. No context switching, no switching between browsers, no lost momentum, just flow. But here's what you need to know. Here's where it struggles. It needs to log into various sites to give you the level of research you need to move ahead. In this instance, it will let you take over control of its browser and you'll log in. For example, Instagram or social media accounts like LinkedIn. Once you're in, it's good to go. The bottom line is this. If you've already tested some of the workflows in the free AI Success Kit or explored behind the scenes examples in The Wolf is at the Door, then you're not just watching tech evolve, you're becoming a future maker that will lead the pack. The wolf isn't knocking anymore. He's already in the house. And while most people are still clinging to outdated strategies from even 3 weeks ago and hoping not to get bitten, the new breed of solopreneur is training the wolf to hunt for them. They're automating lead gen, scaling with agents, and repurposing content while they sleep. And if you're not doing the same, you're not just falling behind anymore, you're becoming prey. So whether you're running a small agency, launching a digital product, or scaling a personal brand, don't just watch this video once. Rewatch it, try the prompts, open the browser, let it work, and subscribe to this channel. Because when you combine the right systems with the right strategy, you don't just stay ahead, you stay irreplaceable. And if you need help with that, well, you already know where to find it.